Beneath the waves, submarines move silently. On land, a different race is underway. A race against time, the elements, and the unseen challenges of building the components that protect our nation's maritime interests. Among the many vital elements of a submarine's construction are the critical composite materials that reinforce its performance and endurance at sea. But creating that safeguard is only half the story. The other challenge is delivering it fast enough to meet the Navy's needs.
A lot of it was looking at kind of what we needed to do to meet the Navy timeline. So it was one of those taking a quick look at that, saying, all right, the equipment's doing what we need. We just need to increase the capacity of it.
The mission is clear. Deliver submarines and critical components faster. Delays aren't just inconvenient. They can slow operations and risk mission readiness.
The pressures of space are nothing compared to the pressures of underwater. It's really a much more rigorous environment, and the employees need to be thinking about that, because when something fails, it's never a warm, calm night in the Pacific.
This increased demand prompted the Submarine Industrial Base program to make a strategic investment with a New England supplier, Globe Composite Solutions, providing a new arsenal of machinery and tools for producing advanced composite materials. A forward-thinking decision to increase capacity and elevate performance across the industrial base, meeting the highest standard of readiness.
So the result has been just terrific. First of all, we increased our capacity by 20%, which allowed us to pull a lot of our initial timelines left even more, and again, support the shipyard as a direct result of these pieces of equipment.
With the new machines humming, GCS didn't just meet the Navy's timelines, they created new capacity. But what happened next was a surprise. The surge in production created a powerful ripple effect, alleviating a critical defense backlog at a sister supplier and turning a single investment into a force multiplier that strengthened the entire industrial base.
We brought a backlog down. We were able to bring that down now to the point where all tiles are on or ahead of schedule. The opportunity for Globe through the program was really the ability to further support the fleet. How do we get capability in a manner that's going to be able to deliver the product to the fleet in the time that they need it with the quality that they need? That's really what it comes down to, is how do we keep our boats at sea and our warfighters safe to be able to accomplish the missions that they need to accomplish.
And this is just one example of how the Submarine Industrial Base program is strengthening critical capabilities across the nation, proving that a single, targeted investment in the right place can set off a chain reaction, increasing capacity, reducing backlogs, and generating benefits that extend across the entire supply chain, supporting America's fleet today and for decades to come.